Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, this is the video research from the ForexPeaceArmy.com, today the 22nd of November. As usual, we'll continue to talk about the euro currency, start from the daily time frame. Well, in general, on the daily time frame, we do not see any significant price action that could happen during the previous trading day. So yesterday market has shown some attempt to continue move to the downside, but then a bit later during the US trading session has returned right back. Well, although we can see that trend is still bearish, as weekly as monthly trends are also bearish, so long-term perspective and long-term environment currently is bearish. So if you are a positional trader, you could try to enter on the short side of the market, such the possibility for entry on the short side of the market. But since this is daily time frame research, the discussion of the positional possibilities for entering is just beyond the scope of this research. Well, in general, we see that market continues to stand in some tight range. So that was hitting with the 100% extension from that ABCD pattern. Also, this shallow retracement after that we have discussed during the previous week and have traded during the previous week. And now market, although has tried to continue move to the downside, still stands inside this some tight range. So sooner or later, the continuation move to the downside will happen. But on the daily time frame, currently we do not see any significant patterns, something interesting that could let us understand what we could do and how we could enter on the market and join to some potential move. Just one thing, that you can see that weekly pivot point stands just above the market, it's around 135.76, and as we know, pivot points usually traded by the market in the 70-80% of cases. So it means that during the week there is the 75-80% of probability that market should at least touch this pivot point. Okay, our major focus during today's trading session will be on the lower time frames. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we see such pattern. So that was yesterday's plunge down, the market returns right back. What we see currently, we see I just have drawn my potential vision of the current situation on the market. So that could be the butterfly buy, although I have drawn this 1618 extension of the butterfly 133 sharp, but it also could finish at 127, 133.68. I do not know currently, but taking into consideration the overall bearish environment on the higher time frames, the 1618 extension is a bit more logical. In the very short term, what we see, potentially we could get the Gartley's triple true sell. That was the initial swing to the downside, and that could be ABCD retracement. Even more, if you will take a look at the target of that ABCD pattern, you will see that 100% extension 135.81 stands precisely at the weekly pivot point. That is very logical. Also, 100% extension stands below that high. This will allow to survive to that butterfly, since the failure point of that butterfly is the top right here is 136.14. If market will continue move to the upside and break this high, then probably we could say that this butterfly will fail and we will need to search some other possibilities to trade. Maybe we will have to change drastically our context for trading. But in current environment, that is very logical. You can see that frosting bar to the upside, shell retracement, 618 retracement of that bar currently. Well, and this probably could be the Gartley's triple to sell pattern. So potential area to search for the sell signals is right here, around weekly pivot point 135.76 and 135.81. This 5 pips spread between that levels. The target of this ABCD, this will be the Gartley's triple true, and that could be the start point of that butterfly buy. Although the anticipating of the harmonic patterns, especially reversal harmonic patterns, is a bit risky and do not recommend by the mentors of the harmonic patterns. Well, we could say that we trade godless triple to sell. Well, if it will become. Well, but in general, I think that this not bad scenario could realize during the today trading session. On the hourly time frame, what we see, it's a bit more detail about the godless pattern. That is our potential godless on the 4-hour time frame initial swing, potential ABCD pattern. That is also in agreement with the 618 resistance of that swing down. That's also important. But here we have smaller ABCD godless triple to that initial swing to the upside, that's thrusting bar on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, that could be another ABCD, A, B, C top, D point 134.46. But currently you can see that market creates an agreement with the 618 extension target of that ABCD pattern and 618 support of that swing 134.73. So potentially market could not accomplish and reach 100% target. It could start move to the upside right from that area, since this is a bit stronger area than just the reaching of the ABCD, because this is the support and this is the 618 target of that move. The failure point of that pattern of that godless triple to buy is right here. This is low at a point around 134.30. It's right here. So what do we have currently? That is the failure point of the butterfly, potential butterfly sell. That is the failure point of potential longer greater ABCD on the 4-hour time frame. So I can say for the 100% that market will accomplish this ABCD right in that area. If market will continue move to the downside and take out that high, then probably we could see also the butterfly, but this swing will be just a bit late, smaller. So market will start move down to the downside right from that point and continue. Okay, that's also possible. So if market will take that point 134.30, then we could say that probably butterfly has started already. If not, if market will accomplish this ABCD, then that is our area to search for the sell signals. That is our area to search for the failure of this butterfly sell pattern. Okay, that's our trading plan for the current trading session. Watch for the couple of levels, 134.30 and 136.14, 134.76, 135.76, 135.81 is the area where we should watch for sell signals on the 5-minute chart to try to join with the potential move to the downside. Besides, that area is very close to the failure point of the butterfly, and our stop that we should place just above that highs. I suppose then 40 pips above that high will be significant and enough to place stop. So it will be a rather tight stop, and risk reward ratio will be just significant. Okay, so that's our current view on the situation on the euro currency. Since we should deal mostly with the retracement price action that's very choppy and sloppy, this is the prediction of such kind of choppiness on the lower time frames, a bit slice and dice game. But that currently in such swings we could estimate and see some patterns, harmonic patterns that could help us to discover the current situation and try to possess ourselves with the probable move on the market. So that's all for today. Wait for the clear signals. Keep an eye on this couple of levels that we have discussed, and good luck.